Ecolon were really amazing, very fast, very productive and very respectful of all the residents and the environment they've been working on. Ecolon came back on site because we struggled with the mud on this big area, so which was a very challenging time. We have to loan quite a lot often as well, and the safety for kids around the building was not very safe. We have nothing to do for the past 2 months, which is amazing. It looks like brand new, like since it's been installed yesterday, so happy days. What really surprised me with Ecolon, they could suite us just before Christmas, which is very appreciated on the busiest time of the year. So now the job has been done in a very short amount of time, which I'm very happy and proud of it. Now we can relax, the community and all residents can enjoy this beautiful Ecolon and just, happy days for myself and just have a good break now.